Stay curious, keep learning. You heard me saying that so many times. And this mindset helps you to grow and become a much better leader. So tune in to Leadership in Manufacturing podcast. This is where you gain insights and learn practical leadership skills from real-world industry experts. The next couple of episodes, I've changed the format just a little bit. So I had a lot of great guests on the show over the last couple of years, and I invited a few of them back to each episode. So I invited Don Eckery, Walter Tobin, Mary Ellen Stack, Rob Brunson, Shane Sutz, and Toby Cornell. And each of them are bringing really unique perspective on leadership in the manufacturing and distribution industry. On the next 5 episodes, we're touching on how do you know if you're a good leader? It's a tough question. Also, what are your leadership values? How do you enhance your leadership skills? And how do you ask for feedback? And the last one, I love this one because it's more about the passion about the industry. So tune in, start your journey to become a much better leader in the manufacturing world. I hope you enjoy these next episodes. So stay curious, keep learning. See you next time.